Hey everyone, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am back with another little pop-up taste test. If you like these taste tests, you should like and follow so you never miss one. Today I have Icee cereal. That's a weird thing. I'm very interested in this because not only do I love Icee from my childhood, I was like a huge Icee fan, but it says, feel the freeze. It cools in your mouth as you eat it. That is a large promise, and I don't understand how they're gonna get that done. It is the coldest cereal in town, according to the copy on the back of the box. There's also a little game on the back, and it comes in cherry and blue raspberry, little crunchy balls. It looks like Trix cereal. So I'm gonna open this box, and we are going to check it out. I'm sniffing it. Whoa! Whoa. That is very strong smelling. It really smells like Icee. And it only has 130 calories a serving. And with your milk, it's 190 calories. And it's a cup and a third. So the serving size is very large. And they're like little colorful balls of cereal. Let's see if it really cools in your mouth or you have to add milk. If it doesn't cool in my mouth, I'm gonna try it with milk to see if that solves the problem. It tastes good. It tastes like Icee. Very sweet. Better flavor than I expected. It is a little cool, slightly cool. What I'm gonna do is try, wow, it feels weird. It's a little strange. I'm gonna put a little milk on it and see if it even makes it that much cooler. Hold on, be right back. All right, I'm back with my little mini bowl of cereal and my milk. We're gonna try it and see if it does in fact cool a little more in my mouth with the milk. Look, ooh, that's pretty. It reminds me of rainbow ices. All right, look at that. It's turning the milk colors already. It's cool. Yeah, no, it's cooler. Definitely. Wow. I like the effect when you have milk. It's good. All right. Normally, I don't even like sugary cereals, but I kind of like this. It's definitely for kids, but if you want to try it, I recommend it. It really reminds me of Icee. Holy moly! You have to check it out. Icee cereal, thumbs up in a weird way.